everybody, today I'll be showing you how you can solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube with an easy to learn beginner method. So the first step to solving the cube is to make one layer. So lots of people get confused with one layer and one color. So basically one color is just the side there, but one layer is this side here and all these pieces on the side. Sorry, not the side, like here. They all line up, so blues with blue, oranges with orange, and so on. So without further ado, I shall scramble this cube, and yeah. Okay, so I've scrambled the cube, and the first thing that we're going to want to do is to find one piece to base our first layer off. So I'm going to be doing a white first layer for this example, and I suggest you use those two because it's usually the easiest. So like it's the easiest to understand for the color scheme. So we just walk around the cube. We have this piece of white, this piece of white, this piece of white, and this piece of white. So I'm going to choose this piece, and basically we just put it in the bottom right here, so like that. And we want to look at the top layer, and we want to look for any pieces with white. So this piece has white, and the one with the logo has white. So I'm going to choose this piece, and basically we put it above the spot it needs to go. So this piece has green and orange. This one has red and orange. So this can work. So green and green. So so the green's here, so it needs to go on this side. And like if it goes on this side, the green won't be next to the green. So here, above its spot, this, and then we do our first algorithm, which is a sequence of 4 moves. So we would do this 4 times. We would do this 4 times. This 4 move a few times until it's solved. We got lucky there, and we had to do it once. So I'm just going to change the orientation of this piece. Okay, so next I'm going to choose this piece. So orange and orange, they match, so we put it above the spot here. And we do the same thing, so. Like that. And then we have our last one, so this one has blue and red, and then there's blue and red, so we do the same thing. Okay, so now for troubleshooting. Okay, so one case you may run into is if a corner is in its own slot but it's twisted. So basically we put it on the right as usual, and we do our four moves. So, and then it should be out on the top, and you can solve it like usual. So another case we can get is if we have 2 pieces on the bottom that need to be swapped. So we follow the same concept as the corner twisted in its own slot. So basically we take this piece out, so, and then we can put it into its correct slot, so here. And then we just have to solve the last one like that. So now we are on to last layer. So I'm just going to quickly set up a different case. Okay, so if we have so we look at the top, and if we have one corner with yellow on the top, see here we have 2, and in a case like this we have 2, and in a case such as this we have 0. We do something, and then if we just have one corner twisted, so just say it was just only one yellow, like this, we would basically do something else, but I'll move on to that later. So if we have 0 or 2 yellow facing upwards, what we want to do is we want to look at the sides here, see, there's yellow here, and what we want to do is we want to put like a yellow to the left. So see here we have yellow, so we can face it to the left side like this, and then we do another algorithm, so to the left, and then like that. And basically you'll just keep repeating the same idea, putting yellow to the left non-stop until you just have one yellow facing upwards. So here I will do another example. So okay, here, so we get yellow facing to the left. See, there's two yellow, and we do the algorithm. So and then we'll do it again. Until we have one yellow left. So when we have just one yellow, so I call this the dot. Basically, so we just put it in the same spot as, you know, how we would have the yellow facing to the left. We just put the one with yellow on top in the same spot, and we do the same algorithm. And this should have all this yellow at the top. So like that, and we should have all yellow at the top. So now we are on to the final stage. You may have gotten a skip here. There's a 1 in 6 chance that you got a skip, so congratulations, you've solved your first 2x2, but in 4 out of 6 cases you will not have gotten a skip, so it's probably worth watching this bit here. So in 4 of 6 cases you'll get something like this, where you have 2 pieces solved right next to each other and 2 pieces that need to be swapped around, like if they're adjacent to each other. So we put the two solved pieces onto your left side, and then we do an algorithm like this. So like that, and then your cube might look something like this, and you just align the top and it will be solved. So another case you can possibly get is this. So this is the only other case where you have to swap 2 pieces that are diagonal to each other instead of adjacent, and this is a very easy case as well. We don't need any new algorithms for this, so we can face it any way we want, this way, this way, this way, or this way. It doesn't really matter. And we do the algorithm I just showed you. So and then we should get the case where we have 2 pieces that need to be swapped adjacently, and then we can solve this. So and solved. So I hope you've learned how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.